If you're creating video for your business, in this video I'm going to give you 5 different videos you can create to get more business from YouTube. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 different types of videos you can create to get more customers and more clients into your business. But first, if this is your first time here, make sure to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video to this YouTube channel every Tuesday. And as always, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's great to see you again. So let's hop in and go through the 5 different types of content you can create on YouTube to get more customers and clients into your business. So the first type is one like this, which is how-to videos. How-to is an expanding space on YouTube, and more people are coming to the platform to find out how to answer the problems and questions that they have. So if your business has a solution to a problem that people have, and every business should, then you can create videos around solving that problem. So as you can see on this channel, I do how to YouTube. So if anyone has a question on how to do anything on YouTube, whether that is how to set it up, how to delete channels, how to do anything on YouTube, there will be a video for them right here. So ask yourself, what types of videos can you create that start with how to? The second type of videos you can create for your business are interviews. Now, this can be interviews with other experts in your field. They can be interviews with people in your company on how you do stuff. And it can also be interviews with your customers and clients. When working with my own clients on our YouTube strategy, one of the content types that we do have is interviews with existing customers and clients. This is a great way to get people to see what good you're doing with your customers and clients, and it also gives tips and tricks on how those people have overcome problems that you may be having as well. So we're doing a number of things on a number of different levels here with this type of video. We're giving great content in overcoming problems that people have, giving a solution to that. And we're also showing people that we have taught these people, we have helped them in their business, and that we can also do it for them as well. The third type of video you can create are behind the scenes videos. Now, you can do this on a number of different ways. You can show people behind the scenes into your business, which people love. If you show them in your factory how you run your processes, how your products are made, the quality and the standards that you have, this will actually help people connect with your products and your services a lot better than if you are just an anonymous company making stuff that they buy. A great way we use this with our clients is when they're doing consultations, they record the consultation, and obviously there's behind the scenes with that they're talking about a specific problem with a specific client. And again, on multiple levels, you can see that you're providing great content. It's also behind the scenes, so you're getting that intimate view into what the person is doing. And you're getting to see how they work the magic with their clients and then also prove that they can help you as well. The fourth type of content you can create is work in progress. Now, we have a number of property development clients, so they can show the beginning of the project, they can show while it's happening and stuff like that as well. So they can show the problems that they are overcoming as they come up with them during that particular project. If you're a software company, you can show how you're creating updates. Again, this can be a bit behind the scenes. It's also work in progress as well. And you can also show your customers as you're developing new products and services. You can show them how you're coming up with them, etc., etc. If you're in the fitness space, you can show how you're progressing through your fitness regime and how you're getting fitter, faster, stronger, all of those things, so that you can inspire people and motivate people to see your progress as you're making it. So there's a number of ways you can use the work in progress type of content for you and your business. The fifth type of content you can create for your business is before and after. Now we get to see many of these in the fitness space. So we'll see at the beginning that somebody was a bit unfit, they were a bit overweight, they weren't looking their best. Then 8 weeks, 12 weeks, whatever time later, they are fit, slim, fast, strong, younger looking, etc, etc. You can also do this in the property space where you may have just a derelict old house, you do it up and boom, there you have a fantastic building after. So ask yourself, what can you do that has a before and an after that you can show that can impress your customers and clients to do business with you? So there you go. Those are the 5 different video types you can create for your business. You don't have to create all 5 at once. So pick one, run with that. How to is typically the fastest and easiest to run with. Then you can look at maybe behind the scenes or a work in progress, a before and after, and stuff like that. Also, interviews are very easy to do. You ask a couple of questions and the person you are interviewing does all the work. So, which one of these 5 appeals to you the most? Let me know in ye olde comments area below. I'd love to know why you like that particular one and also when you're going to use it. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, especially for your business, then stick that also in ye olde comments down there as well. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Now, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to hit the ye olde subscribe button somewhere around here and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. Also as well, make sure to hit one of these bad boys here to help you grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.